VSD, that it might not always be the best choice. So yeah, VSD is everywhere. If you look at your daily appliances like your vacuum cleaner or your kitchen mixer or maybe your exercise bike, it has always some kind of gearbox or even a variable speed gearbox. And also with compressors. So there was a trend that everybody wanted the VSD compressor, and that basically everybody believed that it would always be the best choice. But that's not always the case. I am a strong believer in first measuring. So first measure the output flow going into your plant, and then select the right type of compressor or maybe a compressor combination based on the air demand. And then you might discover that a VSD compressor is not always the best choice, and you might end up maybe with a combination of compressors, maybe a small backup compressor that's just going on-off in the weekends, and one VSD combined with some on-off compressors for the daily use during the week.